Anushka, and today's video topic is different from what we have covered till now on this channel. So this video is about that what you should do in your gap time. So the gap time which I'm talking about is the gap from your CUT result to the time when you will go and you will actually go to your college. So you have like almost 1 month, like full July you have. So why I'm making this video is because if you will utilize this time, I can guarantee you that you will be ahead of 95% of the crowd in your college. And yeah, it's important to spend time with your family, to enjoy in this break, because full year you have studied and you have done really hard. But it's important that you'll manage this time, like along with all of those things with enjoyment. You should do some of the things that I'll be sharing today in this video, so that you are in a better position when you will enter your college, right? Okay, so I have few points, like I guess 7 to 8 points, which I have written that what you should do in this break. Like I'm not saying you to do all of these things, but if you'll do like some of them, two or three of them, you'll be in better position. And why I'm saying this, because see, when you'll enter your college, just after 15 or 20 days, the college society forms will open. You'll apply to different societies, you have your interviews and everything. So you need to have something to say and to speak about, right? So because till 12th, what we have done is we have just studied, right? So to mention something, to make yourself differentiate from the crowd and from the other people, if you have these things and if you maintain these things, you will be you know at a different position from all of the people, right? So the pointers I've covered is somewhat from my experience and somewhat what my friends and colleagues have told me about. Okay, so first thing I'm going to start with is, please start with your LinkedIn. Okay, so LinkedIn is a very beneficial platform for you. And like if you work on your LinkedIn abhi se hi, I can guarantee you that you'll find very good opportunities, because LinkedIn helps you to make connections, build connections. You'll get to know different companies, their openings and everything. Like it's baad ki thing, but starting ke liye it's very good for connections. Start kaise karna hai? Just start with your you know profile. You can just add that whatever leadership experience you have in your school. If you are in any society, in any club, or in any of the activities, you can mention that. You can mention your 12th score, you can mention your CUT score if you want to, and you can just make it and just start sending connection requests to your school seniors or to the seniors you already know. And then step by step you can just use this. Okay, first thing is to start your LinkedIn. Second thing would be to, it's very basic, but to have basic understanding or the general and the current understanding of the business world, or the field you'll be starting your college life in. For example, I am a BCom honors student, so for me, startup, business, finance, these things are something that needs to you know that something. Okay, I know that this thing is happening in the business world and this is the current trend and everything. If you are someone who will be starting with pol science, you should know about the policy research and everything that is going on in that field, right? Okay. Third thing would be, uh, in the second point, I am covering 2 points. First is newspaper and second is basic finance, startup and knowledge, so to have at a good position. Third point is work on your communication. It's important, because I know that not everyone is good in communication, or they're able to make people understand what they are saying. So this point is just the point I have written is just to make sure that, please make sure that you are in a position that you are able to understand what you are saying to the other person, right? Because interviews will happen and you have to introduce yourself, your what you have done, why do you want to be the part of the society, club, etc, right? So that time you should know that what you are speaking, what you are trying to explain them. So for this, what you can do is you can just give yourself a topic and you can talk on that topic for 2 minutes just with yourself, so to have a good grasp that how will you do this thing in future. Or just start listening to listen to finance based podcast with founders, so we can cover both 2 and 3 points in this. Then fourth would be to build connections. This is somewhat related to the first point. Build connections is basically, before you will be entering in your college, you should have some sort of people with whom you can discuss any kind of query if you have related to your college life, PG life, or anything. For example, when got my CUT result and I am free, I just start sending requests to the you know good colleges seniors, for example Hindu, SRCC, LSR, because I know that I can somewhat got that college. So I start sending them requests. I start messaging them that, hi, this is Anushka. And also during the preference sheet, when you have to make your preference sheet, so at that time also having connections is very beneficial. You can ask your doubts with them, or when you have searching for PGs and everything, you can go to them, you can ask them that, hi, can you please help me in this thing. So building connection will help you not in your college journey, but in like forever, starting of college journey, any basic doubts related to your studies, related to accommodation and everything, right? Next step would be to, okay, this is something which I have not done personally, but my friends have recommended me that if you are able to get an internship. What I meant by internship is not a particular or like a very internship with a renowned company or a technical internship. It's just to have something so that you can speak about. For example, you can apply for NGO internships. NGO internships are something that are very basic, and that will give you a good experience of, in terms of soft skills like speaking to people, communicating, making databases and all. So this will help you in your college journey when you will be sitting for society interview. So you can mention this thing, right? Next, your question is कि दिए मिलेंगे कहाँ से? So you can make your account on Unstock, and there अभी तो you can just fill your school details, like class 12 तक की details, and according to that जिस भी internship के लिए आप eligible होगे वो आपको show हो जाएगी. And after you have allotted, you have your college name and everything, you can just start, you can write your college name, your degree and everything. And Unstop is also very beneficial. I'll cover this in my future videos when you'll be sitting for case competitions, right? Okay. Next tip would be to have handy on Canva. This is something that if you have this thing na, you will be like at a very good position, because Canva in college is needed everywhere. Like in starting, it's needed everywhere, whether in a college society or in your class projects, in everything it's needed. So what you can do is you can just start or just learn basic Canva concepts, and you can make your 2-3 work samples or portfolio जिसे हम बोलते हैं, so that you can mention whenever you mention that hi, this is this, and I know Canva and I have my work samples for that. So you can just show them, send them, attach your portfolio work of Canva. Just make 2-3 posters or something you feel on related to business posters or anything, so that you can paste it whenever it's needed. Okay. Next step, this is something that I feel that I should have done this, but I have not. So this is about that you can write a small thesis or research work. Okay, this is not I think I know that it's sounding very heavy, but this is not the way what I'm saying. But it's mean that, for example, what you can do is you can just start or take a small topic, for example blue collar lending, right, or gig economy or gig workers, and you can just made a like 1 or 2 page document on that thesis. Thesis is basically research, so you can make a 2 page document doing the research of that topic. Just go to ChatGPT, YouTube, podcast, listen, write whatever you feel, so that whenever you are talking to someone, you can say, hi, this is Anushka, and I've just passed my class 12 with this score, and I've also done a small thesis on gig economy. So this is something, when you will mention this thing in your interviews and everything, this will surely stand you like apart from the crowd. Okay. And the last thing is participating in competitions. Okay, so at this stage, when you have passed your class 12, many Delhi University colleges have started with their fellowships or their Olympiad programs, in which they ask 11th and 12th pass out students to register. Some of them have nominal register fees, but what you will gain is you have something when you will enter college. For example, I've participated in Commerce Olympiad and Economics Olympiad, hosted by SRCC. So when I entered college, in all my interviews, I have mentioned this thing that yes, I have participated in Commerce Olympiad hosted by SRCC, and I even got All India rank 79 in Economics Olympiad. So participating in all these things will make you understand the world better in much advance, in much, you know everything much better way. So currently हिंदू कॉलेज का इनैक्टस का चल रहा है, 180 DC की फेलोशिप चल रही है, SRCC के चलते रहते हैं, लाइक सो जस्ट गो ऑन कॉलेजेस के पेजेस एंड सर्च. और अगर तुम्हारे कोई सीनियर्स हैं उन कॉलेज में, उनसे पूछो कि इज़ देयर एनी फेलोशिप फॉर अस सो दैट वी कैन जॉइन. आई रिमेंबर SRCC की देयर वाज अ मेंटोरशिप करके fellowship in which they asked to write an article, and then they've selected people, and then they've given them like full uh, 1 week or 2 week workshop. So like it's a good way to start. I think I've covered most of the points that I want to, and yes, so the purpose of the video is just to make sure that please do something in this break. Don't like just enjoy. It's important to enjoy, but with that, like, pick any one point and just start working on that. For example, in my case, LinkedIn worked like wonder for me, because I've made my LinkedIn profile just after my CUET, and it helped me a lot. I got to connected with so many seniors. I have some people, so that I can reach out to them anytime, anywhere, whenever I feel, and at any stage of my application process. Also, when I enter college, I already know many of them. So LinkedIn is something that worked wonderfully for me. So you can start with that. Start sending requests to your known seniors, and then to other people. So yeah, I hope you got to know the point of the video, and you will definitely work on these steps, and you will do wonder in your college journey. And I wish you all the very best for what is coming up for you in the next month or ahead. And yeah, this journey is beautiful. Enjoy this, learn new things, grow, enjoy. And yeah, bye bye. And if you have any doubt, if you want to ask anything, please feel free to reach out to me. I'm always there to help you. Bye bye, have a good day.